Are you still worried about wiring and communication problem for illumination system? MiBoxer developed new PLC lighting control solution, enhanced new control technology, have big breakthrough while compared with traditional solution. Only need to wire to transmit signal and power, 2-in-1 solution, support remote control, 16 millions color for selection, brightness dimmable, saturation adjustable, dim color temperature, built-in 9 dynamic mode which can adjust saturation, brightness and speed. Support Tuya Smart, Samsung SmartThings, Philips Hue, app control. Compatible with Alexa, Google Home, Apple Home voice control. Have music rhythm function. No matter we control it on the water or under the water, MiBoxer PLC lighting control solution can do full range control completely, supplying reliable and efficient illumination solution. Step away from traditional lighting solution. Embrace new smart lighting era. MiBoxer PLC new product series is on the way. Pool light, underwater light, underground light are in stock. Scan QR code to know more PLC series.